You're looking here at this air compressor, and I'll show you some of the features and some of the things I really like about it. First of all, coming up to here, you have your tank pressure. You have your regulated pressure. You can adjust that here with this knob. And turn to adjust, it says. You have nice connectors here as well. 2 connectors, which is great. Well made. Hooks on really well and nice. Coming around here, you have your electric motor. You have your hose going from the motor into the can to hold your pressure. Over on this side, you have your electrical cord. Your electrical cord comes up, it's about that long, plugs into, of course, the standard AC. It's a maintenance-free pump. So, because it's electric, so it works great for that. When you go to use this for the first time, you realize that you probably need to tighten up your bottom drain valve here. Sometimes the condensation builds up in there, and all you do is to release some of the pressure or condensation, just unscrew that to drain that. You have really nice rubberized feet, not plastic at all. These are pure rubber feet. So it makes it sound good, and they won't crack and become brittle and break off and just be on metal. So you have a nice surface that won't shake when the pump's running. I got this because I really wanted this tool here, which is your staple gun. To load that, pretty easy to load. You just pull this, see the air is going up, pull that out, and that releases. You drop your staples into there like that. And a bunch of staples are there. You just close that like that, make sure that's shut like that. Nice rubberized handle here as well. Nice connections. These aren't cheap connections, so they're real nice quality connections. Well, now let me just show you the sound of the motor. It's a little loud, but it has to be to get up to your pressure. There's your tested pressure ratings right there as well. And I turn this on. You can see my pressure building as it was on there. Sounds great, runs great, doesn't have any hiccups or anything like that. Holds the pressure quite well. And also, I should point out too, you have a release valve here, if you want to use that. So, alright, and like I said too, I can regulate this by turning the dial on the pressure that will come out through my hose. I really like that. You get to see how effective that is there. So, yeah, these are the features to it. It does come with 2 other tools as well, a nail gun and another tool. But like I said, I really wanted it for this because I have some projects that I gotta staple up on board, poster boards onto wood. So this will work perfect for that. I tried other ones and they always wind up breaking. So I saw this and I was like, oh man, this could really do the trick for some projects here at our place that we do for some non-profit type things. So just wanted to show it to you, describe it for you, let you see it, and yeah, I really like it, and it's gonna really get a lot of use, and it will hold up as well, and made in the USA with global materials, which is great too.
Thank you. Alright, so this is an unboxing. Got the CRAFTSMAN here. I just ordered this. I've seen a lot of people on the reviews say that you know, that they didn't get their stuff, or that their, you know, the boxes were all beat up. And I got kind of nervous when I ordered this, but you know, there were some other ones I was looking at. I felt like this one was the one to go, so I just wanted to make a, I guess, a quick unboxing review or video to kind of put not just myself at ease, but anyone else who is looking to get one, who sees those bad reviews, bad comments. I just wanted to. All right, cool. Okay, so the packaging looks good. You know, the original tape was there. It's not beat up. Got all the parts that it looks like it said that it came with. I'll go through those here in a second, but so far, it doesn't seem to be messed with. There's a little bit of residue there, but not messing with, it's not the paint itself. Plastic seems to be intact. No scratches on the actual tank. Valve is down there. Yeah, a little bit of factory residue, but that's not any scuffs or any damage, you know, towards the tank itself. So that's expected. I ain't tripping over that. I mean, factory residue that happens. Yeah. But overall, the tank is in good shape. Got everything that it said that it was supposed to come with, so I'll take that as a win.
So received this today. It was supposed to come with a accessory kit, hoses, so on and so forth. As you can see, none of that stuff showed up with it, just the bladder. The bladder was clearly used. You could see some wear and tear there. No plastic bag whatsoever, which I know if you get one of these brand new, they come in some type of plastic bag. This thing's all bent and worn up. Somebody clearly has used this and then sent it back, but incomplete. Didn't get the accessory kit. Could have picked this up at Lowe's for less money, and it wouldn't have been used. But there you go.
Hasta llegó el artículo, la caja mojada.